Get into the 2019 Volkswagen Tiguan. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 30,000 miles on the odometer. This versatile Tiguan was built to keep up with your family's busy lifestyle. Standout fuel efficiency, available third-row seating, flexible interior configuration, and advanced safety and connectivity tech make road trips and errands easier than ever before. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, heated mirrors, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, third-row seat, electronic stability control, alarm, rear spoiler, traction control, intermittent wipers. Sleek style blends with smart practicality in this refined Tiguan. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.